Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the leaf bandage in Green Hell. This is going to be especially useful for treating your injuries, which may occur by falling down from higher heights or by getting bit. So, to begin, first of all, we'll need to find a plant which is named Molinaria. This is going to be a plant which will have kind of yellow flowers around it and some kind of a long kind of structure of leaves. So this is going to be how it is going to look like. So pick out any tool like the stone knife or a small axe and go ahead and mine it down. Once you've done this, it is going to give you the Monera leaves into your inventory. And from this, you want to just go ahead and hold down right click mouse on the Monera leaf inside of your inventory and select the craft option. Here you can see you go ahead and craft the leaf bandage. Also, if you have many more leaves, you can click this plus icon to craft many more of them at once. So just go ahead and click craft, and it is going to craft the bandage. Then to use it, just press and hold down the C key and go to inspect. And if you find the wound on your body, let's say it would be right here, then open your backpack, and by dragging the leaf bandage onto your wound, it is going to be treated. So this is pretty much all. How to get it, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.